It's shiny on top, but I can't do anything about that.
So, hello everybody, and good morning to those in America or North America, and good afternoon to everybody here in Europe. This is Essential Balkans virtual marketplace. My name is Tine Muren, and I have here my colleague Robert D with us as well. We are both founders and owners of New Deal Europe. We are really grateful that we can have this here and being hosted by these amazing destinations that you're going to work with today, the European Travel Association, ETOA, who helps us to put together this virtual event, and of course, ETC, Visit Europe, which make everything happen, basically, what we are doing today. Just a couple of words about us. Who are we? New Deal Europe. We are focused on Southeast Europe and the Balkans. We are very known and mostly known by organizing our events. Our signature event, New Deal Europe Marketplace and Forum, happens every year about April time. I think next year will be our fourth one. To say this, we helped to organize, I think, 8 events so far. Not help, we organized them. Brought together over 1,000 delegates who basically focused and convinced about 10,000 meetings, all focused on this beautiful region of Southeast Europe and the Balkans. We are proud members and regional representative, as I said, of European Travel Association. We are also member of USA Tourism Association, USTOA, the event that happened last week, where we also presented our region, our Essential Balkans program. And not to say the least, we are also a signatory of Tourism Manifesto, a very important manifesto in the European Tourism Association and in European Travel Commission. Robert D., back over to you. What can you tell us more about this particular event and this particular project that we are working on at the moment?
Thank you, Tina, and welcome everybody from my side too. Today's event is dedicated to the Essential Balkans countries, that's Serbia, Montenegro, and Romania. And this is really the final element of this year's program, which we hope will run for several years with the support of the European Tourism Commission. This project started in July, and so we crammed a lot into the last few months, including sales trips over to the USA and Canada, presentations at the USTOA, meetings there too, and meetings with the travel counsellors and travel agents through the Essential Balkans Limitless presentation. So today is the final event of the year. I'm sure it's going to be hugely successful, judging by all the people who are attending today. And just to give you an overview of it, here's a short film of the 3 destinations and the project, which we prepared earlier for you.
Hello, my name is Robert D., and I'm co-director and co-founder of New Deal Europe. And I'm proud to say that we have been chosen by Visit Europe to present to you their Essential Balkans program, which will run from now until the end of the year. It's jointly funded by the European Union, the tourism boards of Serbia and Montenegro, and the Incoming Association of Romania. And its aim is to drive more tourists and more visitors to this fascinating and beautiful region of Europe. It covers the area from the Black Sea to the Adriatic, and in between there's a wealth of tourism opportunities. There's the majestic Danube, the fascinating and beautiful castles of the Carpathian Mountains, the Dinaric Alps and gorges, the deepest gorges, by the way. There's a plethora of stunning national parks, a wealth of historic cities, and numerous UNESCO World Heritage Sites for you to discover. Best of all, it has amazing people who will give you the friendliest of welcomes when you come and visit. So please sit back now and enjoy the videos from these 3 countries.
We are of many faces, shapes and colours. We are vastness and intimacy. We are cheerful and sometimes loud. Green, caring, blue, ethereal and pure. Unique and yours. Exciting and warm. wild and tame, all at once. Among all these faces, you can never be lonely.
Where spring cloaks alpine meadows and dark forests in veils of colour. Where vast wetlands fill with song and the soft ruffle of feathers. A land of myriad adventures, fenceless and peerless in its breathtaking beauty. A place of healing where rich mineral springs bubble and steam from deep underground. And towering peaks preside over rolling hills and ancient villages. There is a land where autumn blazes like a blacksmith's forge and fades to the brilliant white of long and perfect winters. A place to explore, to conquer and prevail, to relax and reconnect with nature, to grow, to share, to be indulged, and celebrate the simple things in life. Romania, discover a new world.
Well, there we go. I hope that's inspired you to generate more business to our beautiful region. And as is tradition with New Deal Europe, we always ask an important personage, either from the world of entertainment, from our region, or from the world of tourism, to join us and do the official opening ceremony part of the proceedings. And we're delighted today to be joined by Tom Jenkins, our partner and the Executive Director of the European Tourism Association. So thank you for joining us, Tom. Over to you for a few wise words.
Well, thank you, Robert. Whether my words are wise, I don't know, but they will be words. As Robert said, my name is Tom Jenkins. I work at ETOA, the European Tourism Association, and it really is our great honour to be delivering this event on behalf of New Deal Europe and on behalf of ETC, who I believe are helping sponsor the event. As Robert has mentioned and Tina has mentioned, what we've got is really the first day of the Essential Balkans. And today we're going to have suppliers from Montenegro, Serbia and Romania teaming up and having meetings with buyers and agents and travel counsellors throughout the North America. And we're really looking forward to facilitating this, and we really hope it goes well. I would also like to make a particular welcome to our members of ETOA. I know we have several taking part, and those of you who are not members of ETOA, you're most welcome to join us. I believe that we have a special deal running until the end of the year, and you either need to get in touch directly with us, or more particularly Robert or Tina, who will be able to help you with that process if that's what you wish. So I would just like to say that it is absolutely fantastic to be dealing with an event which is about business and business taking place. The whole of Europe is excited at the fact that the United States has really led the world in recovery from the dreadful tourism experiences we had in 2020, 21, and the first half of 2022. We're now seeing world record numbers of Americans coming over to Europe, and I'm sure Montenegro, Serbia, and Romania, who are wonderful undiscovered destinations in Europe, will be enjoying more than their fair share of this bounty. So with that thought, I'm going to hand you over to the people running this show, and just to say again from me, welcome, and have a great time doing business. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Tom. Tina, do you want to say a couple of words about ETOA and our membership?
Yes, before we all put it over to Aaron, who will give you some housekeeping rules about the event today, just to say that we are the regional representative of ETOA for these 12 destinations that we cover. So we negotiated with ETOA a special deal for our partners. So if you are from these 12 destinations, you have 3 more days till 15th of December to sign and become a member under the 2023 prices for the year 2024. Just email us, get in touch with us, and we will get you the best deal possible. They'll trust us. I come from Slovenia, which is partly Balkan, and I'm good in negotiating good deals for you. So don't worry about it. And now I think I can give it over to our lovely team who runs this event. Thank you.
Thank you. So the final part of this session is we're just going to hand over to Aaron and his team. He will go through the technical elements of the day and explain to you what kind of support is available to you should anything go awry. But before we do, we just want to wish everybody good luck for today. I hope you have a great day and a successful day. And we'll see you at the end at 7 o'clock UK time. See you then. Bye-bye.
See you.